the world is moving at a rocket speed. With several inventions and discoveries, man has reached beyond the moon. However, the social stigma curbs the living of HIV-positive people across the globe. As elsewhere, HIV and AIDS epidemics is misunderstood and stigmatized among the public in India. India is one of the largest and most populated countries in the world. Around 2.5 million people are living with HIV in India. Of them, 61% are male, 39% female, of which 3.5% are children. Belgaum, a diverse town in the northern part of Karnataka state, has a population of around 4.5 million. According to the recent statistics, more than 24,000 people are living with HIV in Belgaum. Of the 2,200 HIV-positive children, 480 are orphans. HIV emerged later in India than it did in many other countries. But this has not limited its impact. In a country where poverty, illiteracy, and poor health are rife, the spread of HIV presents a daunting challenge. Life of HIV-positive children has never been easy. At a very tender age, they face discrimination and negative reactions from the society. Several cases have been reported in Belgaum about children with HIV being deprived of their right to education by not allowing them to attend the school. Children living with HIV have been rejected by the families, spouses, and the communities. They have been refused medical treatments and even in several reported cases denied their basic rights. Taking the onus of reducing the miseries of such children and bringing them to mainstream, a 25-year-old Belgaum-based young lad started his journey towards working for this noble cause.
एक दिन मैं जब सिविल हॉस्पिटल गया था तो वहाँ एक 4 साल का बच्चा बिस्तर पे लेटा हुआ मैंने देखा। उसके पास उसकी देखभाल करने के लिए कोई नहीं था। मैंने उसके बारे में पूछताछ की तो पता चला कि वो एक HIV इन्फेक्टेड बच्चा है। उस समय बेलगाम में कोई भी ऐसी सरकारी या प्राइवेट संस्था नहीं थी जो ऐसे बच्चों को आधार दे। मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना मैं ही ऐसी एक संस्था शुरू करूं कि जिससे इन बच्चों को आधार मिले। तब मेरे पास कोई रिसोर्स नहीं थे, जगह नहीं थी, तो पहले ऐसे बच्चों को मैंने अपने घर में ही रखा और 2 साल बाद 2010 में कई लोगों की मदद से जगह उपलब्ध हुई और उसी दिन से महेश फाउंडेशन की शुरुआत हुई। आज इस संस्था में 55 बच्चे हैं। 2000 से ज्यादा बच्चे आज महेश फाउंडेशन की मदद ले रहे हैं।
At a very young age, Mahesh Sadhav is determined to restore the smiles and refurbish the hopes of HIV-positive children in Belgaum by taking care of their needs and motivating them to lead a positive life. He started Mahesh Foundation in the year 2010. Mahesh Foundation is a non-governmental organization working for the welfare of children and youth affected by HIV by ensuring their education and encouraging them to fight against the deadly disease.
Mahesh Sadhav was going to start an NGO named Mahesh Foundation in the village Kanbargi. I got attracted to this news and I contacted Mahesh Sadhav and really I congratulated him for the positive thinking toward the society.
Mahesh Foundation runs orphanages called Aadhar and Asha Kiran, which shelters more than 55 HIV-positive children.
ಕಳೆದ 3 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ದಾಗ ಇದೇನ್ರಿ ನಮ್ರಿ ನಾ ಸಾಲಿ ದಿವಸ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನ್ರಿ ನಂಗೆ ಏನರ ಆರಾಮಿರಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ದವ್ರದ ದವಾಖಾನೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಪೆನ್ ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ದವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ್ರಿ.
Our society still lives in the myth and misconception about transmission of HIV. In spite of several educational media reports. Doctors believe that the words of kindness and care from the society are the most required medication in the treatment of HIV/AIDS.
Of all the ailments plaguing our society, infection with the HIV virus is the most debilitating, physically, psychologically, and socially. The cause for this is because once a patient is diagnosed with this fatal infection, they are on a running time bomb. They are on a countdown for their life. Here at Mahesh Foundation, we support children who have been infected with HIV because their parents were HIV positive.
This discrimination has been hindering life of many innocent children who lost their hopes and zeal to lead a happy life. It was a dark cloud seizing the childhood of many young minds until they saw a silver lining of Mahesh Foundation in their lives. Mahesh Foundation is a ray of hope in lives of many. The organization is swimming against the stream by taking care of HIV positive children. It strives hard to give them good health and education, along with providing them with basic requirements like food, clothing, and shelter. The day begins for these children with physical and mental activities like exercises, yoga, and prayers.
महेश फाउंडेशन 4 साल से ऐसे बच्चों के लिए काम कर रहा है जो समाज से बहुत दूर निकाला जा रहा है, जैसे कि HIV/AIDS इन्फेक्टेड विथ ऑर्फन चिल्ड्रन से उनके लिए मेनली मेंटली सपोर्ट जो चाहिए और जो मेडिकल रिलेटेड सपोर्ट चाहिए, उन बच्चों के लिए समाज एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहा है। वैसे बच्चों को यहाँ पे लाके कोई गार्डियन यहाँ पे लाके छोड़ता है तो ऐसा बोलता है कि ये बच्चा 2 या 3 दिन में या 1 महीने में मर जाता है, कह के छोड़ के यहाँ पे जाते हैं। तब क्या है ना, वैसे बच्चों को हम एक्सेप्ट करके फिर उसको क्या है ना हेल्थ चेकअप सभी करवा के स्क्रीनिंग करवाते हैं, उसका हेल्थ कंडीशन देख के क्या है ना उसको नॉर्मल लाइफ लीड करने के लिए जो सिचुएशन लगता है वो बहुत क्रिटिकल रहता है। हमारे में यहाँ ऐसा चैलेंजेस आता है कि उस बच्चों को हम जिंदा रखना चाहिए।
Mahesh Foundation focuses on regular health checkups and monthly nutrition of all its inmates. It owns an ambulance and has a resident doctor who personally looks into the health and medication of the children. The children at Mahesh Foundation are provided with a platform to nurture their talents. There are regular music, drawing, and other extracurricular activities that create a sense of belonging and bonding in the children and build a positive atmosphere of well-being in every child and the collective group. Mahesh Foundation is a champion of spreading awareness about HIV/AIDS. The team of Mahesh Foundation wants to reach the root cause of this deadly disease. It regularly visits the slums in and around Belgaum, not only to spread awareness about HIV, but also to conduct regular health checkups and provide required health and safety measures. For all these years, Mahesh Zadav has been courageous to fight for such a noble cause without any government support. Seeing this, several people are encouraged to donate their time and resources for betterment of the children.
Big Brother and Mahesh Foundation been together for last 3 years. Big Brother are conducting many events like Joy of Giving Week and World's AIDS Day. Like these we have conducted. Joy of Giving especially got a very good response for the people, where we have conducted more than 1 lakh rupees within 7 days.
Personally, I have seen the work of Mr. Mahesh and Nagaratnama Madam and started giving donations to this good cause. The kid needs love, affection and nutritious food. So I appeal all my friends to generously donate for this good cause. Please do come here, see the work done by these people.
People regularly visit Aadhar and Asha Kiran to celebrate festivals and other happy occasions. They also sponsor meals and other required utilities. People have always welcomed programs of adopting a child and sponsoring their daily needs, education, and health requirements. The monthly expenses of Mahesh Foundation are approximately Rs 3 lakhs. And to address the needs of these vulnerable groups, Mahesh Foundation welcomes the community participation at all levels. Mahesh Foundation is striving hard towards controlling the growth of HIV/AIDS epidemic through preventive and aggressive strategies with the support of contributions made by well-wishers in society. As Mahesh Foundation is a registered NGO, all donors can avail tax benefits under Section 80G of the Income Tax Act. Mahesh Foundation also accepts donations from people outside India under the FCRA Act. The team believes that every small gesture made by the people towards this noble cause translates into a huge difference in the lives of these children. Keeping aside the social stigma, now is the time to walk that extra mile and be a part of this cause in every way we can. Let's support the smiles and hopes of these children. Let's support Mahesh Foundation.